We're over here in Corona, California, in an all-age manufactured housing community called Corona West. Corona West has an expansion project that we've been working on for the last couple years with several new manufactured homes. We have this brand new single-wide Fleetwood Canyon Lake series, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. We're situated between all brand new manufactured homes, increasing the value of not only the community, but your home specifically. For a home around 700 square feet, this is the best bang for your buck. You're gonna wanna make sure you get your offer in early. Let's go take a look at this Fleetwood Canyon Lake series. If you're new to the Manufactured Housing channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. The open floor plan with the living room, dining room, and kitchen make this home a great entertainment home. Not only does it have all the essentials, but it makes it comfortable for you to entertain your family and friends. This kitchen has beautiful medium tone cabinets, white kitchen appliances that are included. You also have a great living area with windows that allow a lot of natural light. As we walk down this hallway, you see the solar tube lighting, which allows a lot of natural light in a typically dark area. We also put plenty of room for a side-by-side washer and dryer. We also have the furnace with a furnace door. This makes it a lot quieter so you can sleep at night. As you can see, this bathroom is great size. There's a lot of counter space. Under the sink, you have plenty of storage. You also have a tub shower combo. Both bedrooms are great size. You could fit a full-size bed in the guest bedroom. You can also fit a queen or king-size bedroom in the master. If you're interested in learning more about Fleetwood manufactured homes, or this home specifically, make sure you leave a comment. This home is only $119,900, but we can't guarantee that this home is gonna be here very long. Make sure you contact us and make an offer as quickly as possible.